So, magandang araw ulit sa inyong lahat. Now, the next question is, paano ko makukuha ang pera ko? Wow, that's the grand and the most common asked question. Nung nag-start ako dito sa 1X, no, about 3 months ago, and even I myself, no, alam mo, hindi kayo nag-iisa sa ganong klaseng tanong, no? Lahat po tayo ganyan ang tinatanong, and personally, ako rin po, no? So, yan ang tanong ko sa sarili ko at tinanong ko sa taong nag-invite sa akin, how do I get my money? But obviously, it's there, no? Kung mabilis lang po tayong maghanap, makikita naman po talaga natin kung paano at and how to do it. But again, gagawin po natin to step by step, no? At least para dun sa mga taong hindi po talaga well-versed or masyado pang marunong sa online or sa internet. Dito po tayo pupunta. Nakikita niyo po yung salitang withdraw funds. Okay? So once na meron na pong mga pumasok sa ating back office o yung ating QL reserve, so ang gusto natin ilabas, no? Gamitin. Okay, so tatlong paraan po, no? So ulitin ko po, meron pong tatlong paraan ng pagkuha ng pera from 1X QL Exchange, no? So dun po muna tayo sa una, yung official, no? But by the way, I'd like to inform everybody na ito pong una or official way na ituturo ko, this will begin in a matter of weeks or probably I think at least 1 month, no, from now. Okay, but according to the company, in a matter of week or 2, lalabas na yung sarili nating debit card. Okay, so we will be getting our commission kasi from using a debit card or a credit card. So ganito po kaganda itong company na to na they even made our very own financial services company. So hindi lang po tayo nagpa-imprenta ng card or nakipag-tie up. Ang ginawa po ng QL Exchange is they even made their own o gumawa po ng sariling payment processor. Okay? Pero for this time, ituturo ko po yung official way. At this time, punta tayo sa withdraw funds. Okay, click lang po natin yan sa ating back office. Ayan po. So, supposed to be kung ano yung laman dyan sa current balance, pwede po nating i-withdraw yan. Pero sa nakikita nyo po, walang laman. Dahil, kinuha na po namin. So, ang tanong, paano namin kinukuha? Yun nga, ipapakita ko sa inyo sa video na to yung tatlong paraan na pwede. Okay? Itong una, pinapakita ko the official way is we will be using the Solid Trust Pay. Okay, nakikita nyo po? Move your funds to Solid Trust Pay account. Okay, halimbawa, hindi ako makakapag-example dito. Pero once na inilagay nyo po dyan, let's say $100. Okay, pag pinress nyo yung calculate, dadalhin niya po kayo sa next page. Pero wala po kasing laman to. So, hindi tayo makakapunta doon. Again, you need to have a Solid Trust Pay account. Yun po. But again, once may Solid Trust Pay account kayo, after this calculate button, ipapapasok niya sa inyo yung inyong account name sa Solid Trust Pay. Okay? At sundin lang po natin, sunod-sunod lang pong click yun. And after that, 24 to 48 hours, ililipat po kasi ng QL Exchange 1X ang pera ninyo to Solid Trust Pay, which is another company taking care of the payments for QL Exchange. And from Solid Trust Pay, dadalhin po yan sa inyong debit card or credit card. So, kailangan po talagang meron tayo nun. So, at this time, ang gamit po namin ay Smart Money or Union Bank Ion. Or kung may credit card po tayo, any Visa or MasterCard will do. Okay, but again, in a matter of days or probably between 1 to 2 weeks, ilalabas po yung sariling debit card natin. So, you don't even have to worry about opening a Solid Trust Pay. No? Pero kung di na po tayo makaintay at gustong-gusto nating subukan, kung totoo ba talaga to, baka lokohan to, pwede nyo pong gawin yan. So, ito po yan, solidtrustpay.com. No? All you have to do is to go to this site and create your personal account. No? Ito po yan. So, ganyan din po ang ginawa ko. When I started, I created a personal account. It says here, sign up now. Okay, it's as easy as setting up like an email or nung ginawa nyo po yung Facebook account nyo or Yahoo account, hiningan kayo ng mga personal information, ganun lang din po ang pag-setup nito. And this is absolutely free. Yan po. Personal account registration form, etc., 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 etc. Then, after you set it up, magla-login kayo. Then, pag login nyo naman po, kailangan nyo i-attach yung inyong credit card or debit card to Solid Trust Pay para may paglilipatan po sila ng pera. Okay? Ang Solid Trust Pay po, parang middle person yan or middleman. Ano? So, from QL Exchange, meron pong nasa gitna, yun po yung Solid Trust Pay. So, kung wala po kayong debit card or credit card, medyo mahihirapan po tayo na makuha yung pera from Solid Trust Pay papunta sa atin. Pero pwede rin naman po ang bangko. Kaso po, mas mahal po yung charges. Again, negosyo po itong Solid Trust Pay. May business sila. So, every transaction na ipapadaan natin through them, meron po yung maliit na charge. So, I'll show you lang po yung ating upline. Okay? Yung sponsor po natin from the US. I think ito po ay kay Scott. Yan. So, nag-withdraw po siya ng $300 out of his account. Okay? So ito po ay ito yung transaction record sa Solid Trust Pay account mo. Ganito ang itsura niyan. Okay? Transfer from QL Exchange admin at qlexchange.com. Okay? At naka-breakdown po diyan. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron pong konting charge sa $7.80. So ang marireceive na lang niya is 292.2. Okay, so this is the charge of Solid Trust Pay going to his credit card or debit card. So, ito pong picture na to, makikita po yan sa ating 1X Dream Team. Yung mga pictures po doon. 1X Dream Team, i-check nyo lang po yung Facebook group natin, 1X Dream Team. Nandun po yung mga pictures. Okay, and nandyan din po yung summary. This is, dito naman, di ba, familiar to? Ito yung ating 1X QL Exchange back office. Makikita nyo po dyan yung transaction na $300 was paid to Scott Beast. Okay, at yun po, pinakita nating next picture is the Solid Trust Pay back office na pumasok na yung pera doon. So, ang susunod mong gagawin, ililipat mo yung money mo from Solid Trust Pay to your debit account or debit card. Okay? Ganun lang po kadali. Ang pangalawang paraan po is yung sinabi ko sa isang message ko, sa isang video ko po, which is upgrading people or non-members to 1X, no? Diba? Nabanggit ko po sa inyo doon sa isang video natin, how to upgrade my account. Pwede po mangyari na ang mag-upgrade sa atin ay fellow member. Okay, so saan naman po kukunin ng fellow member yung pera na yun? Yung pang-upgrade. Yun nga po, out of his commission, let's say may commission po ako, instead na kukunin ko at matcha-chargean pa ako ng ano-ano, ipang-a-upgrade ko na lang sa kaibigan ko, sa kapitbahay ko, sa best friend ko, etc., etc. At sila na lang po magbabayad sa akin ng 320 pesos. Okay, and panoorin nyo po yung video na yun, makikita nyo na it's a wise move and faster move. Kung gusto mo makuha kagad yung pera mo, sumanap ka ng tao na mag-upgrade at siya ang magbabayad sa iyo ng pesos. Yung dollar commission, ililipat mo o ipambibili mo ng key para may upgrade siya. Nandun po yun sa topic na how to upgrade using a key. Okay? How to upgrade using a key. And the third option ho, yung sinasabi nating mag-antay lang po muna. Dahil ang third option na yon ay yung ating pong sariling debit card. Okay? For so many months, we have been waiting for this debit card. Okay? But lalabas na po. It was already announced that it will come out kasabay ng launching nitong ating pong isang fast track program, and it will be by the week of November 28. Okay? So, dun po lalabas yung ating sariling debit card. So, 3 options po again. You can use Solid Trust Pay. Okay, unfortunately, you have to face, of course, some charges, no? Mababawasan po ng konti, pero okay lang. Second is you upgrade a member by using a key. Okay, bibili mo yung key ng $5, ipang-upgrade mo sa isang non-member, then babayaran ka niya ng 320 pesos, which is yun po ang ating Phoenix na amount in peso value, 320. And third option is you wait for the debit card to be released care of our own payment processor, DirectPay Express. Okay, so sana po na-enlighten ko kayo. Maraming salamat. God bless everyone.